So in our previous sessions, if you remember, we started recursion. Just let me review for 2 minutes and then I will start our content. See, our course title is DSA with Java. So prerequisite for this course is nothing but compulsory. You should have knowledge in Java. And the duration of this course is 45 sessions. That means 45 days will be there. All are weekday classes. And the fees for this batch is 3,000. And the timings of this batch is from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Every day from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. these classes will be there. And the syllabus, almost I explained 23 topics. These 23 topics we are going to cover, so in depth with a clear explanation and also programs. Okay, then, so as a part of this, we started first the chapter called recursion, or what is another name for these recursive algorithms. So at the very beginning, to demonstrate how these method calls are happening in Java, so I started explaining the navigation between main method to other methods. When you are doing this, what is the importance of stack, how the stack is maintaining these method calls, I explained very clearly. So after this, we have seen some basic points like what is recursion, can a method can call the same method or not. Okay, that process I explained. So whenever you are executing your normal Java program by using these recursive calls, you will always get one special error. That error is called as stack overflow error. Always we are going to get one error. What is that error? Stack overflow error. So what is the problem with this stack overflow error? How we are going to rectify that error? So that we have seen. And there are three cases are there in the recursion. First case is how many number of method calls we are using. Based on that, there are two types of recursions are there. One is a finite recursion. Second one is infinite recursion. So I explained both with the help of programs. Then even we have seen what is mean by base condition. Sir, if I want to make a infinite recursion as a finite, you need to write some condition. Based on that condition, it is going to stop its execution. Such type of condition is called as what? Base condition. Sir, how to write that base condition? Then second case, there are two types of recursions are there with respect to the number of methods you are taking. If you are taking only one method, then it is called as direct recursion. When you are taking two methods, that is a method is calling some other method, that method in turn calls this method, such type of recursion is called as indirect recursion. Next, so after recursive call, if we are taking any statements, then it is called as a non-tail recursion. If we are not taking any statements, then it is called as a tail recursion. How these non-tail and tail recursions are going to work, with the help of example I demonstrated very clearly. So these are the topics which we covered. Even we discussed about so advantages of recursion, then disadvantages. So what is the problem with the recursion also we have seen. And we are going to cover around 22 programs as a part of this recursion. Now let me cover one by one. Sir, if you are clear with this content, whatever I told, so I will start explaining the programs one by one. Do you have any queries, guys, up to this? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Right.
No,
So
sir.
the first application which I'm going to take here is, sir, I want to fetch. Okay. So I want to fetch the characters one by one. I want to fetch the characters one by one from the given string, in reverse or in backward in backward direction. Sir, I want to fetch the characters one by one from the given string. In which direction? Reverse direction. Sir, first I will show you the problem statement with the output, then we will go in detail. For example, if the given string is ABC, so what is my expected output? Sir, in reverse direction means what? First you need to get the character C, then we need to get the character B, then we need to get the character A. This is nothing but my expected output for this program. For this, we need to write the code. Are you clear up to this? Is the problem statement is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please confirm everyone clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, let us see in detail about this one by one. Now, sir, observe carefully. Sir, first, can I say it is at 0th location, first location, second location? First, I will write space, state space tree for this. Okay. Assume I am going to define a method, sir, which is going to take the input like ABC. Now, I want to send the index of last character. Tell me what is the index of last character, sir?
2.
2. I'm going to send that to 2. Now, so I'm going to write 2 lines. What is the first line? Sir, first line is printing the character present at second location. Which character is there? C. So in the output, you will get that C. So after that, what is happening? Sir, I am going to keep that string as a constant value. I will try to reduce this index value. Now your index will become what? 2 minus 1, 1. Now same format. Sir, I will print the character present at first location, which is nothing but B. Now, sir, I'm going to call the same method by passing ABC, comma 1 minus 1, 0. Sir, now what will happen? Print the character present at 0th location and then call the same method. So by passing ABC, comma, what is the index value? 0 minus 1 minus 1. Sir, total string got completed, right? In this case, I'm going to stop the recursion. This is nothing but state space tree what we have. Sir, the 2 points that you need to observe here is this is nothing but the given string. Sir, what about this one? Can I say it is length of the string minus 1? What is the length of the string? 3. 3 minus 1 will become 2. Okay, fine. Second point, sir, first statement, then recursive call. Sir, first statement, then recursion. That means after recursion, we are not taking anything. Sir, what type of recursion it is? Tail recursion. If we are clear with these points, then we can able to write code for that. Sir, any questions?
Sir,
If anyone,
sir, the value is length of the string minus one, right?
yes, the
Okay,
index
sir.
will
Then
be beginning what we are going to pass length of the string minus 1. Okay.
okay, sir. Fine.
Guys, any other queries?
No, sir.
Right. Now, let me write code for this. Sir, I am using VS Code to type this program. Okay. So in the main method, I'm going to call. So what is the method that you can define any method, sir? I'm taking method. Let us consider the string as a Java. What is the length of the Java, sir? or let me define string s is equal to anything you can give, let it be Java. I am passing that string. How to find out length? S dot length minus 1. Is it okay? Now we have to define one static method. So what is a return type? Void. Method name is method, which is going to take a string and integer index. Sir, if you are clear with the prototype, I will write code for this.
So the inside the after the string, the length method is there. And n is missing, and I think.
Very good. Now clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, everyone please confirm if you are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Right. Now, sir, listen. So here, what I'm going to do is, what is the first step? What is the base condition? Anyone tell me what is the base condition, sir? Anyone guide me? What is the base condition? If, from the diagram you can.
If index is less than 0, then we will.
Yes, if index is less than 0, then what I'm going to do? Return, that's all.
Okay.
Because the return type is void, right? No need to send any value. Otherwise, what you need to do? Sir, system dot out dot println of s dot char at of index. So what is the next instruction that you have to take? Call the method by passing the string and index minus 1. That's all. Simple code. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
If I'm clear, I will execute this program. So let us run and check, sir, how it is going to work. So Java C test.java I have taken. So Java space test, you can see, sir, AVAJ. In reverse direction, we are getting. Our target is also same, right? We have to print the characters from the given string in reverse direction. Sir, if you are clear with this application, I will go for the second one. Clear, friends?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, so the next program, of course, same program. I want to fetch the characters one by one from the given string. Sir, in which direction? In forward direction. In forward direction. Sir, I think the program is almost same. What modification we need to do? Anyone give me idea? That means here the state space tree is going to change. So what is the modification that you need to do here? Sir, first you have to call the method by taking same ABC, okay, and then index value minus 1. It will be having one more method call like ABC, comma 0. Now one more statement is there. So it will be again called for, sir, ABC, comma minus 1. So now it will be called for ABC minus 1 and it is going to stop. Now what will happen? Come back. So here, what is the value of index 0? In 0th index, which character is there? A, that will be printed. So in the output, you will get first A. Then go back. Sir, at this time, what is the A index value? 1. In first location, which character is there? B. Try to print that. So now again go back. In this case, what is the index value? 2. In second location, which character is there? C. Try to print that. Like that you will get. Sir, in this case, first we are taking a recursive call. So then we are taking SOP. That is a statement. What type of recursion it is? It is non-tail recursion. Yesterday I explained very clearly about this. For understanding, so just here same input I am taking. What is the requirement? You need to take this after method call. That's all. Now try to execute. Is the same output is coming? No, sir. In forward direction, it is a printing. I hope, friends, you are very clear with the code concept. Do you have any queries up to this?
No, sir.
Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am seeing response only from few students. Please respond, everyone. Clear arm.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, sir, coming to the next one. So what is the next one is, sir, write a Java program to find nth Fibonacci number. I want to write a program to find out nth Fibonacci number. Sir, what is the Fibonacci number? The first two digits in the Fibonacci number are 0 and then 1, sir. First two digits in the Fibonacci number are 0 and 1. Sir, what is the next one? 0 plus 1, which will become 1. What is the next number? 1 plus 1, 2. What is the next number? 2 plus 1, 3. What is the next number? 3 plus 2, 5. What is the next number? 8. So what is the next number, sir? Anyone?
13.
13.
13. Like that,
13.
the is going to be calculated. Sir, if you count the numbers, don't count from 1. Sir, 0th Fibonacci number, first Fibonacci, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. Now we have to write a function. Sir, if we are giving argument for the function as a 3, what is the expected output, sir?
2.
2. Can anyone tell me what is the formula? F of n is equal to? What is the previous number? F of?
N minus 1.
Very good. Plus
And
Minus 2.
n minus 2. That's all. Correct, sir? Sir, everyone understood this theoretical part?
yes, sir.
Can I go for a program?
Yes, sir.
What is the 0th Fibonacci number? 0. What is the first Fibonacci number? 1. What is the second Fibonacci number? It is going to change. That means for these two, the values are fixed. So now I'm going to rewrite the program like a public static. The method name I'm taking as an integer, fib of int n I'm taking. Sir, if the value of n is equal to 0 or if the value of n is equal to 1, I am returning the n value. Otherwise, what we have to do? Sir, fib of I am taking n minus 1 plus fib of n minus 2. So don't worry, what output you will get, I will show you. Up to this, any questions? Up to this, any questions?
No, sir.
So what is the, if the input I am giving as a 6, the output which I am expecting is 8. But don't worry, first I will draw the diagram, you will get a clarity. Suppose consider I am calling fib of the value as a 6, sir. Now it will be divided into two phases. What is the first phase? 6 minus 1, 5. What is the next one? 6 minus 2, 4. Now again it will be expanded into 2. It will be expanded into 2. What is the first one? 5 minus 1. Sir, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. And here 5 minus 1, 3. So 5 minus 4 minus 2, 2. Now f of 4 means what? Again 2 types. F of 3 means what? Again 2 categories. F of 3 means again 2. Sir, f of 2 means again 2. So let me expand. Sir, f of 4 minus 1, 3. So f of 4 minus 2, 2. F of 3 minus 1, 2. F of 3 minus 2, 1. Sir, f of 3 minus 1, 2. F of 3 minus 2, 1. F of 2 minus 1, 1. Sir, f of 2 minus 2, 0. Sir, again it will be expanded to f of 2 and f of 1. And this will be expanded to f of 1 and f of 0. And this will be expanded to f of 1 and f of 0. So this will be expanded to f of 1 and f of 0. Like that. And this f of 2 again f of 1 and f of 0. Like that, how many recursive calls in depth it is going to go? Sir, this diagram is called as what? State space tree. Sir, if you are clear with the diagram, I will show you what output we are going to get for this. Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Sir, everyone please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, sir, I hope you can understand. When 1 came, it is going to return 1. When 0 came, it is returning 0. 0 plus 1, it is going to return 1. Sir, it will return 1. 1 plus 1, it is going to return 2. It will return 1, it will return 0. 0 plus 1, it is going to return 1. 2 plus 1, it is going to return 3. Sir, here it will return 1, it is going to return 0. 0 plus 1, it will return 1, it will return 1. 1 plus 1, it is going to return 2, and it will return 5. Sir, is it making sense? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here 1, 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Sir, here 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So here 1, here 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So these two will be added. What is the sixth Fibonacci number? 8. Like that we are getting. Sir, let me check. Really, is the output 8 is coming or not? We need to cross check. Sir, is 8 is coming or not? Yes. So this is nothing but what we have. Any questions on the Fibonacci sequence?
No, sir.
Everyone able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Right. Sir, now there is one topic. Do you remember I have given in the index, like there is one chapter called dynamic programming. What is the dynamic programming is? Listen, sir, f of 3 is calculated in this program. How many times we calculated? This is nothing but one time. Any other? This is nothing but a second time. And this is nothing but a third time. Sir, 3 times I calculated f of 3. Unnecessary calls, right? Sir, already I calculated some value. Again, I am trying to recalculate that because I know what is the output of that, right? Why we need to call again and again? Whatever value that you got, try to store that value, try to store that value, try to store that value in a container. So that what will happen? Next time, if there is any requirement, instead of recalculating, try to use the stored existing value so that we can able to achieve some performance efforts, sir. So that concept is called as what? Dynamic programming. Sir, what is mean by dynamic programming? If there is any unnecessary calls are there, to overcome that, we are using this DP. DP stands for what, sir? Dynamic programming. Sir, is it making sense, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, any other questions from your side? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Sir, everyone feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. Sir, like this, there is one more sequence is there, friends. So what is that sequence is, sir, Fibonacci sequence. Sir, what is a Fibonacci sequence? First 3 digits in this sequence are 0, 1, 2. How to get next digit? By adding previous 3 numbers. So that is 0 plus 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3. So what will be the next one? Sir, it is nothing but 6. What is the next one? What is the next one, sir?
11.
11. Good. What is the next one, sir? 20. What is the next one? 37. Like that we are going to get. What is the formula? What is the formula? Sir, Fibonacci sequence of 5 if you give, the output is 11. So what is the formula? T of n is equal to, sir, T of n minus 1 plus T of n minus 2. What is another formula, sir? T of
N minus 3.
n minus 3. That's all. I think diagram is also not required for you. Directly I am writing the program. Sir, trib of which value I am trying to calculate here in the program. So trib of 5, the output which I am expecting is 11. So what modification you need to do? That function name. And how many method calls? Trib of n minus 1, trib of n minus 2, sir, trib of n minus 3. And if n is equal to 0, return 0. If n is equal to 1, return 1. If n is equal to 2 also, return 2. Now let us cross check really whether it is giving the same output or not. Let me cross check. Sir, tell me guys, is it returning the same output or not? Please confirm. Expected output is 11. The output which we got is also 11. Sir, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubts up to this whatever I covered? Clear?
No, sir.
Right. So I will take one more program. So maybe I will stop with that. So what is the next program that I am taking here is, can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the next program, what we have here is decimal to binary conversion. Sir, I want to convert from decimal to binary, sir. This is nothing but my requirement. So decimal to binary conversion. Sir, already you know how to convert decimal to binary in your like maybe in the academics you have heard about this. For example, if you take any decimal number 6, sir, how you are going to convert? First, you will divide that number with 2. Correct? Sir, why you are dividing with 2? Because the binary base is nothing but what? 2. 2. Am I right, friends?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder that you will get? 0. Now, sir, 2 1s are 2. What is the remainder you will get? 1. Sir, 1 1 0 is nothing but binary equivalent for the number 6. Comfortable up to this? What is happening in the background? I explained. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to implement a program for this. bin of, let me take 6. What is my expected output? 110. So the method name is bin. I am going to give the input like n. Now listen carefully. If the number is equal to 0, sir, return 0. Otherwise, what you need to do? Sir, return n percentage 2. I am capturing the remainder plus 10 into bin of n by 2. Like this we have to take. Sir, how it will work? I will take one example and I will show you. Sir, here BIN of what is the first number that we have passed? Sir, 6. Sir, there are two formulas are there. We have written both the things as a expression. Now observe, this is the first program like this we are getting. N percentage 2. What is the N value? 6. Tell me friends, what is the 6 percentage 2 value?
0.
Very good. 0 plus. Now what will happen? Sir, 10 into. So 10 into binary of, sir, 6 by 2. What is the value? 3. Correct? Now again this B of 3 is going to be expanded. What is 3 percentage to 1 plus, so 10 into, so binary of 3 by 2. Sir, what is the value? 1. Now observe carefully. Again this will be expanded. Like what? B of 1. Sir, 1 percentage to 1 only. 1 plus, so 10 into B of 0. Like that. Now tell me friends, if the value of n is 0, how much value we are returning?
0.
0.
Sir, 0 into 10, what is this value?
0.
0. Sir, 0 plus 1, whatever method you called, for them it is going to return 1. Are you clear with this friends?
Yes, sir.
Now again what will happen? Sir, 1 into 10, what is the value sir? 10. Correct? Sir, 10 plus 1, how much sir?
11.
It is going to return 11. Now tell me 11 into 10, how much sir? 110. Correct? Sir, 110 plus 0, what is the value? 110. This is the output what it is going to return. Any questions?
No,
The
sir.
out we got the output which we expected. Both are same. Clear friends?
Can you repeat why we have taken 10?
Sir, why we have taken 10 is generally how the number is formed, sir. If you take any example like 123, sir, how the number is formed? This 3 is at unit position, this 2 is at a tens position, this 1 is at a 100th position. Sir, have you observed 1 into 10, 10 into 10? Like whenever you are taking the numbers, the powers are increasing. Got it?
Okay.
So to frame a decimal number, I am multiplying with the 10.
Means decimal have only two, right? 0 and 1. So that's why you have taken 10.
Sir, see, actually we got all the reminders. Okay. That reminders we have to frame. In how many ways we can frame? Sir, we can frame like 0, 1, 1 in this order, or you can frame in this 1, 1, 0, which is our requirement, this one. But we can't print, right? I want to return as a integer value. Like how this 110 is framed? Sir, 0 into 1. What about this one? 1 into 10. Sir, what about this one? 1 into 100. If you want, you can see. Sir, 0 into 0. 1 into 10, 10. Sir, 1 into 100, 100. Sir, 100 plus 10, 110. 110 plus 0, 110. Got it, sir?
Okay.
So it is something like mathematical theory, sir. That's all. Clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Any queries? Right. Sir, now I'm going to show you. Okay, sir, now I'm going to show you. For all the numbers I'm trying to print. For all the numbers I will try to print. Like let us write here a loop. Like for integer I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10 I plus plus. I will try to print the number I followed by one tab space and bin of that I value I am passing. so that from 0 to 10, it is going to print the binary equivalent values. Okay. Sir, is it having any mistake?
Print ln. Okay.
I plus correct only, right? What is the problem? The operator plus is undefined for the argument type. Yes. Array. Okay, no issues. We will run the program. Maybe the problem is with editor. Yes. Sir, 0. Binary equivalent is 0. 1, 1. For 2, 1, 0. For 3, 1, 1. For 4, 1, 0. Like it is coming, right? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, I want to do the same program for decimal to octal conversion. Sir, I want to convert decimal to octal. I think the program is almost the same, sir. In the place of bin, I will take OCT. Okay. So I will take OCT. Tell me any other modifications that you need to do. What is the base of octal?
8.
8. So wherever you are dividing with 2, you have to divide with 8. That's all. Correct, sir? Later
Yes,
you
sir.
draw a state space tree for that, you will get clarity. Now observe, sir, 0 up to 7 same digits. What about 8? Sir, 10. Sir, how it is coming? Because for 10, if you divide with 8, 8 ones are 8 ones are. So 8 remainder is 2. So what is the binary octal equivalent for 10? It is 12. Is it coming? Yes. Sir, you understood the point, right? Please confirm, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions from your end? So what are the programs that we completed? How to fetch the characters from the given string in forward and reverse, then Fibonacci, decimal to binary, decimal to octal. Anyway, the remaining some few programs I will demonstrate tomorrow. Sir, today we covered two medium programs and two easy programs. Okay. Like you can see this decimal to octal, decimal to binary. These are some average programs, and even this Fibonacci sequence and Fibonacci sequence also. And the first two programs are easy level programs. So tomorrow I am going to explain the hard programs like string palindrome. Okay, so string reverse, substrings, and string combination. These four programs I will explain, which are very difficult. Each and every program is going to take minimum 20 minutes explanation. 20 minutes explanation is going to take. Okay, so anyway, we will cover that in detail in the tomorrow's session.
So today's last demo.
Maximum today is the last demo, sir. So let us continue from the tomorrow with the paid link. Tell me how many people are willing to continue in this batch. You can raise your hand or you can send your name in the chat window. Okay. Okay. Good. So already some people paid the fee. Okay. Yeah, you can register whenever you have a time. You can join for the regular class. So remaining, you can go through the recordings. There is no issue in that.
So, sir, we are targeting interview, so that's why we have joined this batch. So I think we will fulfill this requirement, right?
Exactly, sir.
Sir, if you can show the syllabus, I just joined a bit late. Yeah.
Yeah, these are the topics that we are going to cover. 23 topics. You can take screenshot if you want.
Sure, sir.
Any other questions? Any other questions?
Sir, collection framework videos in the sense point
Sir,
5.
yeah, I will explain. Collection, arrays, strings, collections. These three concepts are already there in Java, right?
Yes.
So that's why I am not going to take in the live class. I am going to share the videos. In that, all the array data structure around some 5 to 6 hours video will be there. In the string, minimum 10 hours video will be there. On collection, some 15 to 20 hours video will be there. Just you need to go through time by time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So whenever you have a free time, so take a notebook and watch the video. So it will be some topic wise will be there. Topic wise, for example, if you take collection, introduction to collection, some 10 minutes will be there. So like that array list, some 20 minutes will be there. Like that, just you have to complete small topic by topic so that you won't get clumsy and you are not going to get confused. So after writing the notes by watching the video, what you need to do? Parallelly, whatever concepts you have learned, try to execute by taking different examples. Like that, you need to learn from these videos.
Okay, sir. So any Monday to Friday will be the class or even Saturday?
Monday to Friday is going to be the classes, but this tomorrow we have a session. Next week onwards, only Monday to Friday will be there. And I told already some weekends I am going to take that will be intimated in the pre approval. So I'm going to take some topics only on weekend. The reason for that is I need continuity. For example, if you take linked list, so it is not going to be finished in 1 hour. So if I take some 1 hour session today, and if I'm going to take another 1 hour tomorrow, that continuity is going to miss. So that's why we are going to take this linked list. So in weekend, like Saturday and Sunday, Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours to complete that linked list. So not the total linked list, only single linked list program alone it will take like that. And even there are some trees like binary tree, binary search tree, AVL tree, then graph data structure, and even heap trees. So these things are going to take one program with 400 to 500 lines of code. So that's why I'm going to plan these concepts on weekends because it will be completely programming. So I need to draw the diagrams. I have to explain that. So don't worry. Meanwhile, I'm going to give the breaks, more doubts we are going to get. So I will take those classes on the weekend. I will give prior intimation about that. Okay. Any other questions from your end?
So all the topics covered in depth, right?
Yes. Every topic we are going to cover in depth. And you need to practice more, sir. Why? Because almost majority of the programs you are going to get only from the practice sessions. Because see, if I am taking a stack or queue, maybe I can explain the implementation and one or two applications. Rest of the things you need to practice from your end. Okay.
Okay, sir. And the practice platform is LeetCode or
Anything,
CoreJava, right?
anything you can use. There is no issue.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Any other questions? Right. So that's all about today's session. So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Okay. Those who are willing to continue, you can do the payments. So tomorrow I'm going to share the running notes and videos for the registered students. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Good night.